Hello and welcome. This is Amir from Defender Solution. Today we're gonna go over how to program home theater system using RTI. We're gonna go over the drawing and the wiring, and then we're gonna go and check the programming. So let's get started. So first we're gonna go over the wiring. This is our system. We're gonna have an XP8 or XP3. Probably gonna go with XP8 because this is what they have, but XP3 is powerful enough and can do the job. Of course, we're gonna have the speakers for the system. We're gonna use Yamaha Musicast AVR. I think RX-V6A will be sufficient, but you can always go upper. I mean, this is lowest you can go, but you have a lot of module out there that you can choose from. We can go with RTI handheld panel, or we can use RTI panel and use the iPhone or any iPad, whichever you prefer. But either way, they're gonna do the job. We're gonna have a monitor or a projector. Doesn't matter, but most of we're gonna go with a projector and or monitor. This is for music. It's not necessary, but if you want to play music in the home theater, that will be an MS3. You can go with MS1, MS3 if you need to play 3 different locations. And since this one is a home theater, you just need a MS1. You're gonna have all your inputs. For the setup, I have Apple TV. You can have a direct TV box or cable box. Your Apple will go to projector or monitor. This is just a simple design. RTI handheld remote is optional. You can use it. You cannot. It's up to you. So let's get to the programming. We're gonna start with integration designer 11. Alright, so once you start the program, you're gonna create a new system. We're gonna call it home theater. Okay, yes. That's okay. So we're gonna go with XP8S. Add the processor. We're gonna do home theater. That flows. Okay, this is very important. You have to use toner 1 and not use network TSB or zone. Toner 1. This is the first toner or the first device you're gonna use in the system. Okay, let me take this one outside. And then you're gonna add your controllers. In my case, I'm gonna use my iPhone. And go like this one. And we're gonna use like a cable box. Pretty just generic cable receiver box. Projector, skill Sony. Okay, so now we have the minimum devices that we need for home theater. Apple TV can use IR control. Just anything really will work. So gonna configure the Yamaha Musicast first. Here you're gonna put the IP address of the device. So let's say on 192.168.1.100. And this is like kind of IP control. I don't like IR. IR, it's one-way communication. There's no feedback coming from it, so I don't prefer IP control. As long as you can set the IP address to static, it should be golden. Okay, so now we're gonna do the home activities. So, this one, we're not gonna really use. We're gonna use Apple TV, let's see. Let's do Apple TV. It's fine. Apple TV's IR. Okay, next. And devices. With Apple TV, just make sure to do your Apple port or IR port. This is port 2. Okay, then I'll go here. Where's Apple TV here?
We're gonna name this Watch Apple TV. This is Watch Direct TV. We don't need activity for the projector. We don't need activity for the toner. We can push this down. So now we're gonna have a list of 3 activities for this room. What we need to do is okay. So for the volume gonna come from the tuner or the AVR. So we're gonna have to set this up. Sources, Yamaha, volume. Where is volume? Audio. Volume up. Okay. Volume down. And this is the only AVR we have and sound system we have. So we're gonna go volume up, volume down. And it's gonna be a global micro because it's under the main room. And we don't have any other rooms. Otherwise, we're gonna have to make it a room micro, not a global micro. Okay, this is good. This is good. So now to configure the activities, room on. So what you want to do is when the room is on, you want to turn on the Apple TV. You want to turn on the projector. You want to turn on AVR. Power on, room on. We need the AV on when the room is on. So power on. So make it a habit every time you bought like something, like for example room on here, just take a copy, or you can click shift and do copy and then go down to the room off and then paste it and make it off. That way it will be easier to track. You're not gonna get lost. So you want the projector on. You can add some delay just in case, to leave the projector to warm up. 2-second delay, then it will jump on to source. Your source is gonna be Apple TV, so we're gonna do Apple TV So you got video on, projector is on. Once you select the activity, it will power on the AVR, and video is on, Apple TV is on. And this is for so you're gonna have to remove this, and we're gonna do Apple TV. So just scratch whatever I did, go back here, and then do power on. Where's power on? Power on. Come on, power on. Where's power on? Here, power toggle, because this is IR. Okay, this is the source. Video on. The projector gonna work with any source. Either it's Apple TV or Direct TV. Yamaha need to be on also. Okay, so this one we are not we're not gonna use this one because we don't have anything really. After you go turn on the receiver, it will jump to the page of the receiver. And then when you turn off the room, you want to bar off this guy here. This is why I don't like IR, because the bar toggle is not it does not have on and off, and sometimes it go out of sync. The video off, we're gonna turn off the AV. Power off, room off. We're gonna turn off, what did we put here in the room on? We're gonna put the AVR Sony projector. So you can put the video off, you can put the projector too, because since the projector is a video source, so you can add the projector as power off. Pew. That's it. So now we got the direct TV. We're gonna only change the source here from direct TV to Apple TV. So this guy here gonna be power on. Then you go here, you're gonna go power off. Easy peasy, nothing hard. RTI is super easy. Okay, so this is for one room, home theater control. This is what you really need. Oh, you know what you can also do is switching between the input. This is unnecessary, sorry, I forgot this. When you go video on, you want the AVR to switch input, which means every source gonna be on different input. So this guy here gonna be source select. Okay, not this one. Go this one. HDMI output on. And then when you do this guy here, then video on, source on, gonna do number 2, and on, then you copy this, go down, get paste, and when you go here, still go down. Oh, this is to the source, so power off source, off, power on source, on, same here, copy this. I hope you understand what I'm doing. I'm just putting in the order of command. So what need to be done first, and what need to be done last. This one will be off. Okay, I'm gonna create a different video about loading the file to the XPS. Okay, I need to go down and connect the RTI processor, but this is all you need to do really. You got the activities, you got the device, you got the controller. If you want to add a new controller, you can add uh, under controllers. If you want to add, for example, a handheld controller, this is TA4X or 22X or 2 T2I. Either way, they're gonna work. A device, and then we'll have a home list. Right here, it will show the rooms, which is the home theater. You can have one room. Once you select the room, uh, or this one will have a room, this one will have an activity list, and then it will jump between Apple TV or cable TV. And then when you turn off the power, you can also get rid of this one. It will turn off the TV, or it will do the activity or whatever you programmed here. It will execute based on what you tell it to do. That's all. That's all, guys. You don't have to do anything besides this. Just push it to the panel. If you want me to create a second video, how to create the devices, how to push the programming file, how to troubleshoot if the projector or any of these devices are not working, just let me know. Thank you. Bye. Oh, again, I'm just gonna put this here. Um, if you need any assistant programming, or do you have any RTI project or any other low voltage project around LA County, Orange County, Riverside, just text me, uh, or you can email us. We're gonna respond as soon as we see your message. Thank you so much.